what you need to set up is very simple. To set this up is easy. So what do you need? You need 3 moving averages. Don't forget that we are on the MT5 platform here, which is volatility strategy that you can use with the Heikin-Ashi indicator. 100 and the likes. So I'm not going to waste your time explaining the indices. So here we have the 20 exponential. Then we also have the hello creatives. In this video, 3 I'll share with you with the exponential moving average, and here we have the 200 exponential moving average. Yeah. So the next thing we have is the MACD. Here we have the MACD, which is the default setting. It's just the default setting. Yeah. Then you have the stochastic. The stochastic is 933. All right. So if peradventure you don't know how to add indicators to your chart, let me just quickly do this quickly for you, just for those that are newbies. And let me quickly do this. All right. Okay. Okay. Now the first thing you're going to be adding is your moving average. Add moving average. Let's make this 200, the first one, exponential. You click OK. Then you click on moving average again. You drag it to your chart. You make this 3. Let's make this red. Click OK. Then the last moving average, we have we have 20 rather. Yes, we have 20. Then let's make this yellow. Click OK. All right. So then we add the MACD. You can see under oscillators here. Add your MACD. You drop default settings. Remember, I told you. Click OK. Then add your stochastic. All right. That is also an oscillator under oscillators, but you'll be changing the case period to 9 and click OK. All right. Now we have our chart being set up. You can see it's looking just exactly like this one right here. You can see it's the same thing. All right. So quickly, let's just go right in. Now, how do you actually make use of this strategy? How do you make use of this strategy? It's a very simple strategy, and all you need to do is just to obey. The reason why most persons actually fail is because they don't listen. They actually don't listen. Yeah, I've spoken to a lot of my students, and they themselves, whenever they make mistakes, whenever they fail, it always boils down at the end of the day to not following their trade plan. Whenever you follow your trade plan, it's certain that you will get 90% profit, which means if you take 10 trades, there's a high probability of you making 9 out of 10. That is a guaranteed truth. So try as much as possible to stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Now I want to change this to the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, because you're going to be looking for scalping situations. Now what are we looking for? Very simple. Now you want, hello, welcome to this tutorial. Hello, welcome to this tutorial. I actually want to welcome you to the Cosby Finance family, and if you're new to this channel, I'd like you to subscribe to our channel. And basically what we do here is make profits all the time. And I just want to especially welcome those that are new here for the first time. it's necessary that I show you the love that you you require. And this is the video that's going to change your life for the better, because I'm going to be giving you a strategy that is going to blow your mind, a strategy that most of my students, most of those that I even give signals from time to time, they actually maximize and they profit from. And this is a strategy that you're guaranteed of $50 to $100 on a daily basis. Now, this is a strategy that I myself I worked upon and I developed for profitability. So it's not a strategy that you could see anywhere. It's a strategy that I have tested and I'm still using, you understand, to be profitable. So I want you to just take this strategy as an ultimatum. It's a perfect strategy, and I advise that you even do your back testing so that you also can have the assurance that this strategy actually works. So this video is going to be basically brief and straightforward. I actually don't want it to be too lengthy so that you don't actually get too bored, because I just want to give you what you need, and I want you to stick around to the end of the video. At the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you the exact system that I use in combination with this particular strategy to be profitable. You know how you can actually stay in your trade for long. Yeah, how you can stay in the trade for long, maybe a day or two, more or less like um intraday trading. Yeah, but basically I'll explain this strategy to you on how you can scalp, you know, just 1 or 2 year in. All right, so if you have been losing as a trader, or maybe you've been wanting to actually be profitable as a trader, this is the best strategy for you. This is a strategy that you will never ever want to do away with. So I'm Licky Cosby Finance, and he, I've been a trader for the past um, 5 years, and I actually have been having a lot of issues trading. In fact, trading has been one of the major problems I've had, because I know and I see I have several persons that actually make money as traders, but I could not get to help myself to be profitable and to make money from the system. So that was why I had to go into a lot of research, took a lot of courses, and at the end of the day, I ended up, after years of research here and there, I was able to achieve my goal. But I don't want to bore you with the whole years of failure. But what matters the most is that I actually got the knowledge I sorted, I looked for, and today I'm profitable. So quickly, once again, if you're new to to my video, if you've not heard about me, and if this is the first time you are actually listening to me, I would like you to go to YouTube and search for Cosby Finance, and just click the subscribe button and click the bell button so you get notifications whenever we upload our videos. All right, now the next thing I would like you to do is to just go to your chart, maybe on your PC or your mobile phone. I would like you to set this up. Now, giving you what you need to set up is very simple. To set this up is easy and straightforward. So what do you need? You need 3 moving averages. Yeah. Now, do not forget that we are on the MT5 platform here, which is the volatility 75, volatility 100, and the likes. You know, volatility indices. So here we have the 20 exponential, then we also have the 3 exponential moving average, and here we have the 200 exponential moving average. Yeah, so the next thing we have is the MACD. Here we have the MACD, which is the default setting. It's the default setting. Yeah, then you have the stochastic. The stochastic is 933. All right, so if peradventure you don't know how to add indicators to your chart, let me just quickly do this quickly for you, just for those that are newbies. And let me quickly do this. All right, okay, okay. Now the first thing you're going to be adding is your moving average. Add moving average. Let's make this 200, the first one, exponential. You click OK, then you click on moving average again, you drag it to your chart, you make this 3, let's make this red, click OK. Then the last moving average, we have we have 20 rather, yes, we have 20. Then let's make this yellow, click OK. All right, so then we add the MACD. You can see under oscillators here, add your MACD, you drop default settings. Remember I told you, click OK, then add your stochastic. All right, now your stochastic is also an oscillator under oscillators, but you'll be changing the K period to 9, and you click OK. All right, so now we have our chart being set up. You can see it's looking just exactly like this one right here. You can see it's the same thing. All right, so quickly let's just go right in. Now, how do you actually make use of this strategy? How do you make use of this strategy? It's a very simple strategy, and all you need to do is just to obey. The reason why most persons actually fail is because they don't listen. They actually don't listen. Yeah, I've spoken to a lot of my students, and they themselves, whenever they make mistakes, whenever they fail, it always boils down at the end of the day to not following their trade plan. Whenever you follow your trade plan, it's certain that you're going to get 90% profit, which means if you take 10 trades, there's a high probability of you making 9 out of 10. That is guaranteed truth. So try as much as possible to stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Now I want to change this to the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, because we're going to be looking for scalping situations. Now what are we looking for? Very simple. Now you want to establish the trend of the market first. How do you establish the trend of the market? Whenever the market, that is the candles, is above this 200 EMA, this white, then you know that you are looking for the buy scenarios. And whenever the market is below, like here, you are looking for sell markets. All right, it's quite simple, isn't it? Yes. So what do we do after meeting the first scenario? Like here, for instance, you can see the market is above the 200 EMA. So the next thing you want to do is you actually want to wait for the MACD to pull back. Yes, by pulling back, I mean you want the MACD to come below this zero mark here. That is, it's going to be giving you a lot of discount in the market. Yes, so whenever the MACD pulls down, yeah, and gives you a lot of discount right here, the next thing you want to do is you want to see if it corresponds with your stochastic. That is, your stochastic is below 20. Yeah, now the stochastic itself is overbought whenever the price is between 80 and 100. Then the price is oversold if it's between 20 and 0. So if the market drops below, if the market drops to the oversold region and it corresponds with the sell region also of the MACD, that is below 0, yes, and you notice that the market is still above 200 EMA, what does that tell you? It tells you that the market is still bullish. That is, it means the market is still going up. So all you need to do is to place your entry just right here, and you ride the wave upwards. I for one actually entered the market somewhere around here yesterday, and I made a little bit of profit just right here. So basically all you need to do is just follow the precepts. Now let's look for a sell scenario, a perfect sell scenario. Now I think this is a perfect one. Number one rule: confirm the trend first. The market is below the 200 EMA, isn't it? Then secondly, your MACD should be in the buy zone. Sorry, your MACD should be in the sell zone. Oh, sorry, we are dealing with a sell trend now. Yes, a downtrend. So your MACD should pull back to the buy zone. Then your stochastic should also be in the overbought zone. So have that at the back of your mind. Your MACD should be above 0, that is in this buy zone. Then your stochastic should also be in this overbought zone, that is between 80 and 100. So once this takes place, just like here, you can see that the market is still below the 200 EMA, still below this. So all you need to do is just to place your trade just right here, then you make your money downwards. All right, so that's a very easy one, isn't it? It's very easy. Yeah, now I want to also correct some things. Now a lot of persons might think that, oh, look at here, the MACD histogram, this white line here is in this overbought region, isn't it? You can see that your stochastic came up here also to this overbought region. Then you can see that it's below the 200 EMA just here. So that means I should have to take this trade now, but I will advise that you stick to the rule of the game. Yes, in this kind of scenario, just let it go. Why? Because you can see this yellow MACD line. You can see that it did not cross to this overbought region, this upper side. So you want to see a situation whereby everything in the MACD crosses. Okay, look at this particular scenario here. Look at this. You can see this. You can see it's still above the 200 EMA. Here is a buy signal. You can see both the yellow line and the histogram. You can see they both crossed below the zero line. They came to the sell zone. And you can see that it was oversold here also. It crossed properly to the oversold region, that is below 20. This is the kind of trade you want to take. You place your buy here and you take your profit. Now, how do you take your profit? Taking your profit is one of the easiest things. So once again, I want to remind you that you shouldn't forget to join this family on YouTube. Here's the Causeway Finance family, where we actually make a lot of money and also show you strategies, awesome strategies like this on a weekly basis, and we also give weekly analysis of what to expect in the markets. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to know how to exit the market. Quite easy and simple. To exit the market, you can use two strategies. Yeah, you can decide that, okay, since you enter the market here, you can see this is the previous high. You can use this previous high as your take profits as a target. Yes, at the same time, you could also decide that, okay, you want to make sure that when the stochastic touches the overbought region right here, you want to exit your trade. Do you understand? So it's a two-way thing, depends on which that suits you. It depends on whichever that suits you. Okay, let's look at other trade setups that are quite profitable. Okay, you can see this particular scenario here. You can see that it's below 200. MACD entered the sold region, and this also entered the oversold region here. So you could have entered here, but you notice that it did not come to this level here, which is the previous high. But you notice that your stochastic got to overbought region, so you'd have still exited your trade somewhere here. Yes, this would have just been your profit. Yeah, there is a small profit, but I mean, oh, it's better than nothing. It's absolutely better than nothing. So that is how you can actually maximize this. So you can see this scenario too. You can see that this did not cross properly. So I, for one, I wouldn't have taken this particular trade because I like to see it cross properly. You can see here it later came to cross. And you can see that just at this point would have been your entry, or here would have been your entry. Yes, so you must have been scared at this particular point here. Yes, but you can see that at this particular level, just right here, you can see that this became overbought just here. So you'd have exited your trade here, so you'd have got your profit. Then you'd have entered again just right here, and you'd have made your profit just at this particular level, just right here. So it's a strategy that is a win-win for you. All you need to do is just be in front of a system and focus on what the market is doing, and exit your trade at a sniper exit, and also enter at a sniper exit. So this is how you can actually be profitable by trading or scalping. Now you might actually be thinking that, oh, I'm a busy person and there's a way that you wish that you could actually trade for long. Yes, and this is what I teach my students on how they can be profitable for long, how they can maximize the markets. And you don't have to be in front of a screen all the time like this, scalping all day. All you need to do is just to know how to implement this particular strategy on a long term. And trust me, this is a strategy that can actually give you 100 to 2 or 300 per trade. Yes, because you can just be in a trade for a day or two. You can be in a trade for a day or two. So what do you need to do? How can you access this particular type of strategy that I use and also show my students? You can see this particular student actually used this particular strategy, and you can see what he said, that these are the profits he made so far. He sent this to me, and you can see, just thought to share what I have for now. My lot size and TP are irregular, but I will do a final work next week. So you can see this is someone that has been making profit already. He's been making a lot of money already. You can see another person said that the results today is big and encouraging, that I can be like you. All right, so now he was even asking, I want to be part of the mentorship program. So and I told him that I shouldn't worry, that I will take him on the extensive mentorship program, because he actually just took the basic class. So you can see how the profits is going to look like. You can see you enter at a sniper entry here, then you maximize the markets. Yeah, you can see this is 1 hour chart. This is, you can see that I entered the trade. The trade was entered on the 21st, and you can see that it got to 22nd, which is exactly 24 hours trade. 24 hours trade. You can see the kind of profits you'll be getting. These are positions that were running concurrently at the same time. You can see that over this is over $150. If you add this up, you're getting over $150. So this is the kind of profit you can make from this long-term strategy that I will be showing you. Now, in order for you to be successful and to actually understand a strategy properly, I put up a course that is going to be very affordable for you. And it used to be $100, but I created a discount, a limited time discount for everyone. So the course is going for $55, and it's going to be for a limited time. Yeah, this is going to be for just a week. The discount is going to be available for just a week. After a week, you won't see this discount here anymore. It will return to $100. So in this particular course, you'll be learning how you can you know have full understanding of a profitable trading. you know you can, how to scan trading opportunities with the strategy, how to understand the best entry, sniper entry, just like this one I showed you right here. You can see that I entered at a sniper entry, crazy entry. Yeah, and you enter at the point that there will be zero drawdown. Then also trade with a solid strategy, a strategy that has been proven, tested, and it has never failed. Yeah, I'll teach you how to place different orders. Like you can see that this particular trade I entered twice. Yeah, so I'll show you how you can actually place multiple entries at strategic points in time that the market will never turn on red for you. So it's a very detailed course. You can see you're going to be having like 22 lessons, and in this lesson I'll be showing you different strategies that you can use. In fact, there are two methods of how you can actually confirm your trade before you actually come in. Yeah, so trust me, this is something that you don't want to miss. This is something that you don't want to joke with. It's something that I have used and I'm still using also. So a lot of my students have made lots of money from this, and it is necessary that you also plug into this system. So all you need to do is just to go to the link below, and you see um, the link. You will see the link to this particular course. So all you need to do is just to go there and just purchase the course and start learning. Then also, one of the benefits is you'll be added to my mentorship group on Telegram. Yeah, where you would be mentored until you come up to speed and you can stand on your own. It's one thing to actually learn, it's another thing to be mentored. A lot of persons fail because they are not mentored. So I myself, I have my own mentors. So it's necessary that you get a mentor, because with a mentor you can get the encouragement that you need, even when even when you feel that you cannot make it. So that's the essence of a mentor. It's good to actually have the knowledge, but you still need someone to actually guide you and also show you all your hands step by step. So by you taking this course, it gives you the accessibility to me where I can actually nurture you and bring you up to speed. And I'm gonna be doing that based on this strategy that I also use, that we're also going to be learning. So it's necessary for you that you get the course, and also in the group we'll also be getting signals. That is, every single trade that I take, I'm going to be pushing it there. It's not going to be like the free Telegram group that we have. This is going to be the premium mentorship group where every single trade that I take and why I took them, you also will be getting. Yeah, so you're going to have a direct insight to what I do. So without that being said, um do not forget to join the family just right here. So I'm going to leave a link to the course in the description below, and I'm also going to leave a link to the YouTube channel in the description below. All right, so just endeavor to be part of the family, and I'll see you very soon in the premium group. All right, so I still be your boy Lekki Cosby Finance, and I'd love to have you again and to have a close relationship with you. So stay good and be cool. Take care of yourself, and bye for now. We'll see you some other time.